Good morning, rock stars. This is Sean, and I'm here with Kelly.
Hey!
Today we're going to take a look at Teaonic. They were nice enough to send us a sample of their products, so let's give it a taste test. First, here are some product details. Teaonic herbal tea supplements are brewed infusions of nature's delicious and wholesome herbs, roots, leaves, barks, fruits, flowers, and spices, all of which have unique and beneficial properties. Herbal teas have been used as remedies for thousands of years and are an effective and ideal way to help nourish and support our bodies at the cellular level. Let's hear what Kelly has to say about the product.
The bottles resemble old-time tonic, and each type has a specific purpose. This herbal supplement has different flavors that focus on areas such as skin, liver, adrenals, femininity, gut, brain, hair, nails, and weight loss. You can even build your own multi-pack.
I'm gonna try the I Love My Liver, because I do. It's tough love, but love nonetheless. The tea has a light, mild taste, and there's no added sugar, so it's not sweet, but sugar is pretty much the opposite of what you'd want in a healthy beverage anyways.
If you're interested in Teaonic, you can buy it at their website and have it delivered. But I recommend that you check the site because they have a locator that helps you find where to buy the product. For example, if you live in Tampa, it is available at these fine markets. I'm excited about the variety, and my biggest problem is to figure out which one to try next. Well, that's it for this week. We'll put the link in the description below. Please subscribe, and every week we bring you a concert of new products on Rockstar Reviews.
Welcome to Rockstar Reviews. This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.